Mm. Mm. Hello my sweet beauties, welcome to my channel. Today my sweet beauties is another mukbang day. As you have already seen, I made this pizza myself with a dough that I bought from the supermarket. I had promised you to show you all the procedure because I'm telling you all these years actually that I'm buying a dough from the supermarket and I'm making my own pizza, but I've never shown you the procedure so far, so today is the day. I hope that you understood more or less how I'm making it, and I won't wait anymore. I will start cutting it because I am super hungry. Okay, I thought it would be easier with that huge knife, but obviously I should have used the pizza roll knife. Anyway, okay, I think we did what we had to do and we're ready to start. I guess that you noticed that the lights are not the best. Something has happened to the other light and I just replaced it with something else. Anyway, we will fix it. I don't want to lose the video and I'm making it with one light. And let's start with that. Didi, I hope that you can see that. And oh, I like it because it is really juicy because of all the vegetables and the fresh tomato. And the mushrooms and the basil. Guys, really good. And the dough is really good. It has never failed, to me at least. I also love peppers, green peppers, sweet green peppers. Okay. See? It's really fluffy. Very nice. honey barbecue. It was great even without the sauce. Very good. Very nice. I got it. Okay. I love mortadella. Mortadella? I don't know. It's an Italian sausage, salami, I guess. It is spicy and really tasteful. I love it. It has whole pieces of pepper, black pepper. This is very juicy. Okay. Generally, I like roasted tomatoes and yeah, all roasted vegetables. Okay, I ate half of it. I feel that it is enough for my stomach. I could definitely eat one more piece, but I believe it's better for me to stop. So that was all. I will stop right now. And like every time, my sweet beauties, I'll see you in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.